Hi, I'm Rain and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to draw Incensio. Incensio is a black-eyed pea. See his little spot? And he has a really cool shoes. We're going to draw him today. Now, in order to draw him, you can use any color marker, but I choose to use Sharpie, and you can choose to use whatever you like. So I'm using a Sharpie and two color pencils, brown, two different shades of brown. I'll let you see the companies there. Yeah, okay. And I'm going to also use a black color pencil. So let's get started. A little bit of noise, so bear with me. I want you to be able to see my paper here. So we're going to get started on him. We're going to start with the eyes. So we're going to start with what I call the smile. Smile. I'm sorry, frown. That's not a smile. Well, if you turn it upside down, it would be. So two frowns. Look how they're connected. In, and then this one's in. And then a smile. And let's come down with another smile. Good. Circle and another circle. And inside that circle, let's make two more. Okay. Now, I'm going to change this one a little from the original and do something different on it. Make two rectangular shapes. And then we're going to do a big smile on him. So I'm going to make the smile a little bit different. So put a tiny little dot there and one over there. This is my cheat. I'm teaching you. One here and one here. So you have four little dots. All you have to do then is just connect them. And this one connects here. And this one connects here. And then you just go across. Now I'm going to add two squares here, which is different from the original. I'm adding two, and then I'm going to put one square over here, and then one way over here on the side. And now I'm going to start with his head. To do his head, I'm going to come around this way. But I'm going to start on here, and I'm going to leave a space for his arm. This arm right here. Okay. So we come up and around, and we're going to go in, and we're going to stop right there. Oh, let me move the camera a little so you can see. Now I'm making an L shape for his hand, and you can make how many fingers you like. It's just a cartoon, no big requirement. I'm going to move my color pencils over a little bit out of the way so I can slide this down so you can see. Yeah, you can see better when I lift it. Okay, and we're going to make an arm come out here. Here we go. We're getting there with the camera. And then we're going to have a leg come out right here. Still, we're doing the funny little L. If you turn it around, it's just an L or V shape. And close it off. And then we're going to bring this one down and go up and then down. Same old V. And now we have his lower body. It looks like two upside down V's. Okay, let's make his shoes. Down and down. And this one's going up. You see how I did that? Up like a L, and you added some extra to it. And then here, the same thing. Down, and then up, and down, and then up. Let's make his shoes look a little attractive with two rectangles. I would love to see your pictures, so I hope you will send me your drawings. You can never send me enough drawings. I would love to see it. So there we have Incensio. Now, before I quit, I'm going to show you a few little things that I do to my drawing. One is I decide to color the eyes in like this and do some lines here. Same thing on the other one. I hated when I was watching videos and they had their hands in the way. But now I understand it's not so easy. And then I'm going to do some lines on his eyebrows. It's very easy to watch videos. We would like to thank all those artists that post videos because you sometimes have to do it more than once. Now this is my little cheat. I love to use this to make the eyes thicker. Just kind of make it pop. And I think we're ready. You could add some lines to his shoes. So your choice. I love to do this. Oh, we have to make the black eye part. This part right here. Let's make it. I'm going to use the shape of a giant C, the letter C. And then I'm going to just make a little line, like a little dent. Not necessary that you do that, but that's my little style. Everyone has their own style. Now we're going to start with the color pencils. I'm going to come in here with the light color brown. I love this color pencil. So easy to get around with it. Oops, I'm sorry if I'm shaking the table. Now, I also like to use a little bit of a lighter color. Sorry, it's quite beat up, but it's just a lighter color Crayola crayon. Because he has different tones on him, you can make yours all the same. You don't have to do any of these techniques. It's just a guide for you to be creative and create your own style. Now, I love to come in. I'm going to do it a little bit with this, but there's nothing like the black. That black really adds, for me, the little character. Now, you don't have to get every corner like I do sometimes. You can be free to do your own style. I can't wait to see your style. I'm going to stop there, and I'm Rain. I'm Miss Rain, and thank you for drawing with me. We did Incensio, the black eyed pea. Thank you. Join me again soon.